Hello everyone, welcome back to page 20 Arrive. My name is Kun. Today I'm gonna pick up 6 vocabulary words from lesson 26 that talk about John the Baptist. Are you ready? Let's learn together. So the first word is loss. Loss. Loss spelled L-O-S-E. Loss. Loss is the past tense of loss. For example, while he was sick, he lost a lot of weight. Loss. And word number 2 is sent. Sent. Sent spelled S-E-N-T. Sent. Sent is the past tense of send. For example, he sent you to talk to me. He sent you to talk to me. Sent. And word number 3 is build. Build. Build spelled B-U-I-L-D. Build. Build is the past tense of build. For example, he built the house last month. Build. And word number 4 is understood. Understood. Understood spelled U-N-D-E-R-S-T-O-O-D. Understood. Understood is the past tense of understand. For example, I don't understood what you mean. I don't understood what you mean. Understood. Word number 5 is drew. Drew. Drew spelled D-R-E-W. Drew. Drew is the past tense of draw. For example, he finally drew away. Drew. And the last word is broke. Broke. Broke spelled B-R-O-K-E. Broke. Broke is the past tense of break. For example, she broke all the rules. She broke all the rules. Broke. Everyone, please repeat after me. Loss. Loss. Sent. Sent. Build. Build. Understood. Understood. Drew. Drew. Broke. Broke. Good job, everyone. So, thank you so much, everyone, for you spending time to watch in this video. And then don't forget to pick up all of these words to make the sentences by yourself. And then leave it in a comment and I'll help you to correct on your sentences. If your sentences is right, I will give you a sum up, but it is not, I'll help you to work on it. And then if you want to learn with the full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can go into YouTube link and click above or below. See you next time in the next video. Bye. God bless.